Hey everyone, welcome back into the Friday edition of the newscast for tonight. And again, we're talking about cold temperatures that were actually warming up a little bit. And we're still looking at warmer temperatures heading into the weekend and going on through to the first part of next week. Could be in the teens by next week. We'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. Here's our photograph for tonight. This was sent in by Carmen Leonelli, the majestic Alaska Range. Beautiful shot there, showing the range in the distance, and of course the Tanal River out in front there. And again, as always, if you have a photograph to share, please send it to photos@ktvf11.com. And we're still looking for those Christmas photos, so don't give up on those either. Here's what's going on as far as your calendar update. These are the places that still have calendars. Personnel Plus, Ice Fog Vapor, 907 Organic, Big Daddy's Barbecue, Graphic North, and the Prescription Center. You can pick those up there, and they make great stocking stuffers. Your numbers today. Today's high, 1 above the low last night, 19 below the record high, 44. That was in 1940, down to 54 below in 1964. Sunrise and sunset under 4 hours of daylight, a loss of 3 minutes from yesterday. Air quality alert through 5 p.m. tomorrow. Fairbanks is in stage 2, unhealthy for sensitive groups, but the North Pole, stage 3, unhealthy levels right now, and they are recommending you do not use any kind of burning facilities whatsoever. Just use your heat if you have it available. Okay. Here's our satellite and radar. Again, you can see a little bit of activity moving with this area of low pressure moving across the western and southwestern portions of the state. Well, most of the energy stays again south of the Alaska Range. A little more energy moving across southeast Alaska too. The big map showing that rain is once again moving back over southeast Alaska. Juneau at 26, Ketchikan 33. Showers around the Anchorage Bowl, snow shower activity. Kodiak, cloudy skies, rain along the Aleutian Chain, 31 degrees at Kodiak and 25 at Cold Bay. Up and down the west coast, temperatures in the single digits. Cold temperatures returning in Barrow, 20 below there, and 0 at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather, again looking at a lot of energy moving across much of the country. This is going to spawn some very heavy activity over the deep south, and yet more rain and snow moving across the Pacific Northwest, as you can see here in the outlook for tomorrow across the Texas region. Severe thunderstorms are expected to break out, snow across the Denver area, and then more thunderstorms and showers moving up toward the Great Lakes. And the overall jet stream for the new outlook for next week is once again showing a pulling of cold air down across much of the western half of the country. Just the opposite across the eastern half, still warm, rain, and warm temperatures. Okay, our weather fact for today was in 2008, Louisiana and Mississippi. Nearly 8 inches of snow was reported in many areas across those states, setting an all-time record. And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather. And like I said last night, we'll be passing along some interesting weather facts while the kids get ready for their Christmas vacation. And again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank. Okay, now tomorrow's forecast for the northern sections: cloudy skies in Barrow, snow showers for Nome, cloudy and cold at Fort Yukon. Here in the interior, we'll be looking at, once again, scattered clouds at Fairbanks and Delta Junction, mostly cloudy at Healy. And over southeast Alaska, it looks like snow in Juneau with 1 to 2 inches possible, scattered showers for Ketchikan. Over the southwest part of the state, partly cloudy skies in Cold Bay, snow showers for Bethel, and cloudy skies at Kodiak. And down over the south central regions, looking at light snow at Anchorage, snow showers for Homer, and 1 to 3 inches of snow expected in the Valdez area. And our winter trails report for Friday night is showing that it should be a great weekend. Lots of snow and temperatures very comfortable. Cross-country skiing will be very fast with icy trails, and snow machiners still watch out for those possible avalanche dangers. Here's our forecast for the remainder of the night. Clear skies early, then more clouds moving in. 17 below for the overnight low. Tomorrow's forecast 7 below. Mostly cloudy skies, a little colder. Then the warmer air starts to move back in. As you can see here, temperatures warming up to the low to mid-teens for the rest of the 5-day period. No precipitation in the forecast. Overnight lows will also be rising, as you can see, into the plus figures. That's nice to see. So overall, we are getting out of this cold snap and moving back to warmer weather.